If you want to make tons of money using just your phone, this one's for you. I'll walk you through the process step by step on how you could earn tons of money through your mobile phone. This crazy mobile app pays you money in a flash, and you can download this app for free on both Android and iOS. If you're someone who spends a lot, possibly even too much time on their phone, looking through social media, this strategy can turn your free time into piles of money. So make sure to stay until the end so you won't miss anything important. Returning to the video, Feature Points is the name of the app that allows you to make money. TapGenCore has owned and operated Feature Points, a mobile application that rewards users for downloading and completing an online paid survey, since 2012. This rewarding app will pay you in points that you can redeem for a Visa gift card or PayPal money. It allows you to increase your income while working from home and requires no special skills to get started. What I like about Feature Points is that it's free to join and it can be a simple way to make money online. There are a ton of offers available, and there are many payment choices, including PayPal and Amazon gift cards. Feature Points, as I noted, is available for both Android and iOS devices, meaning that basically everyone can install the app on their devices. Now, how do you get paid in Feature Points? You can select from a variety of surveys and complete the task listed on the offer wall that they provide. If you want to join and start earning money with it, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then put Feature Points in the search bar. And when the Feature Points app appears, be sure to click Install to download it to your smartphone. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's go back to the video. Once the app has finished installing, make sure to visit it. There you will be given the option to sign up or log in. If you don't already have an account, you can choose to sign up and enter your information. You will need an active email address to join, your last name and first name, and a password for your Feature Points account. Instead of creating an account from scratch, you can join by using your Apple, Facebook, or Google account if that is what you want. Feature Points offers a variety of opportunities and ways for you to make money, from taking surveys to downloading apps. One of the best methods to earn Feature Points is by taking paid surveys. This website has a lot of surveys, so if you sign up, you should consider this. By entering a referral code after finishing the registration process, you can earn 50 points. After that, Feature Points will ask you to choose your first reward, which you can modify whenever you want. Then you can start doing a variety of tasks, such as installing apps, watching videos, and completing surveys. So you must first complete the About You section, which consists of just 4 questions and simply answering the date of birth, gender, your country, and postcode to access the surveys. You'll receive 10 points after completing the task. The marketing research organizations Pulfish, Precision Sample, LAC, Say So Rewards, and Tap Research have partnered with Feature Points. After completing your first profile question about yourself, you can unlock the Tap Research and Pulfish panels, which will allow you to access more survey questions and receive more invitations. Taking paid surveys is one of the most effective ways to earn Feature Points, but Tap Research surveys are sometimes brief, from 1 to 12 minutes, and only pay fewer than 300 points. If you sign up, you should consider this. So just answer the survey questions and a prize will be given credit to your Feature Points account. Additionally, the number of surveys to which you'll have access varies greatly, depending on where you live. Chances will be numerous in some locations, while there won't be as many surveys available in others. On the other hand, paid survey opportunities on Feature Points are typically good and worth using to increase your revenue. Another quick and easy way to get more money on Feature Points is to download apps. Once you've logged into your Feature Points, you can view the applications you can download and use to earn money. To earn points in this section, you must do more than just install the app. Some apps ask you to use them for a short period, while others require you to execute specific steps. Depending on the app, you might need to play it for a while or get a certain level to be paid. Using this strategy, you can make money by installing applications and following the instructions that came with it. These tasks could include things like beating the game's toughest boss at level 10, among other things. Also, keep in mind that you can only earn by doing this from your phone or tablet, since these are the only devices that allow you to earn by downloading apps. You can see exactly what you need to do to obtain your reward for installing the app in the terms, but sometimes all that is required is to download the program and run it for a short while. To collect your prize, you might need to complete a level in the game you downloaded. Typically, the bigger the prize, the more work it will take to get it, which is pretty understandable. However, if you enjoy playing mobile games, this can be an excellent way to discover new games while also getting paid to play them. Additionally, Feature Points enables you to receive cashback on goods and services you purchase from one of their affiliated retailers. Several businesses, including Adidas, Microsoft, Alibaba, Walmart, and others, support this feature. Depending on the store and the items you buy, you could receive anywhere between 0.5 and 25% cashback. To purchase the item from the merchant's website and receive the additional cashback, just click the Shop Now link beneath Feature Points. Once you've gathered enough points on the Feature Points platform, you can redeem your points for a variety of rewards. The good news is that there are things available for everyone. You can redeem your points for rewards like cash via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and so much more. Just make sure to visit the Feature Points app to get started with earning money quickly and easily. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!